Hi, this is my review of the Dynasty Tempo virtual electric fireplace. We just did unboxing video. I will link it down below, but this is an actual review of what I think about the fireplace and showing you what it looks like as well as the functionality. So I do think it looks great. For a virtual electric fireplace, I'm comparing it with the best, like Modern Flames Orion. It looks really great. We are in a bright room with lots of windows in the middle of the day, and look at the brightness of the flame. It looks natural from different angles, and it's not just in the video, it actually looks like this in real life, I promise you that. And it has multiple different presets. We set it up here to showcase different media. So this is what it looks like with logs. They're glowing logs, and you can change the colors of the logs and the flames. And this is what it looks like with glass media. And then there's logs in the back as well. I love that everything comes with it. It seems like the manufacturer have thought of everything. They even provided nice little suction cups to remove the glass, put it back on. This trim right here is on the magnet as well, so it's easy to take off if you need to ever access the fireplace and service it. The fireplace comes with a nice remote. You can control the flame color, the color of the bed, the downlighting that you can see reflecting here from there, and the temperature. You can turn on the crackling sound. Let's hear it, hopefully. There we go. You hear the crackling sound. It makes the fireplace feel even more realistic. There's a lot that you can control with just the remote, but they also have a smartphone app that you can download, and it has even more colors. You can set timers, you can set routines, smart home connection with Alexa and Google Home. So yeah, very good fireplace. Honestly, 10 out of 10. I don't have any complaints yet. Obviously, I have not installed it, but it seems pretty straightforward to install. I love the glowing logs here. I think they add to the realistic look, and just the flame look, it looks really good. Let me show you some different colors, different styles. So this is tiny, I don't know what it's for. That's off. So we're coming back, I think, to the first one. Lower, there's some red, blue. I feel like we need to change. So this button changes the color of the logs. That's more like it. So let's try to move the next one. More flame colors. Yeah, so it's pretty fun. And it also produces heat. So the heat function of this fireplace is a standard 5,000 BTUs, so that will heat a small room. Obviously not going to heat a larger room with tall ceilings, but it will be a nice additional heat, like a space heater. I had it on here just to test it out for a few minutes, and it got me warm. So the heat button is on the remote. Just turn it on, and then it shows you the temperature. And then you can set it up to whatever temperature you want. And it's a thermostat, so it will keep that temperature. When it gets below that, it will kick on. When it gets above that, it will stop, right? So it's all cool. And then also, if for some reason remote stops working, they have buttons on the fireplace just for basic stuff. Turn it on, turn it off, turn the flame and the heat. So that's also available. Yeah, very happy with this fireplace. Dynasty Tempo, highly recommended. Oh, and one more thing. Here's what the fireplace looks like when it's off. So I do think it looks pretty realistic no matter what you put in there. And yes, it has a reflection. It's pretty much like a mirror, but this is on the floor level. I think when you have it set up in the living room, it will look just fine. Thanks for watching. I really love this fireplace. If you want to watch the unboxing video, I will link it in the description below so you can check out how easy it was to actually take it out of the box and get everything out, and you will see what it all comes with. If you have any questions, you can comment below and I will do my best to answer. Thanks.